I spoke to Angela Bassett a while ago, and even before that, this is not loads of name drops, but George Clooney as well. Both of
Oof,
those, yeah, no, I'm sorry, but
Nate. Who's next?
you're number three, so good
Okay,
things.
that thanks.
They all did soap operas very early in their careers,
Yeah.
and they talked about the discipline of it. You were very young when you did soap operas in Sweden. Is that a discipline you'd recommend to other actors?
I never recommend anything because I can't tell you to go and grab a role in a soap opera. You're kind of lucky with what you get, and you should
Yeah.
grab as much as you can and play around with it. But for me, that was school. We did two
Mm.
and a half episodes a day. We
Wow.
had two sets shooting at the same time. Whilst one was rehearsing, the other was shooting. If you
Mm.
were crying in this one, you would run to the other one whilst pouring belladonna, clear eyes, into your eyes so that they were white and crisp. And then once you arrived, you shoot that one.
Wow.
So discipline,
Yeah.
factory, insanity, and that was my school. I mean, if I could have
Yeah.
chosen something else, maybe I would have, but it's what I had.
Your grandmother's from Northern Ireland, and
Yes.
I wonder that Northern Irish or Irishness, what part of you does that occupy, do you think, in your
You
emotional
know what?
make?
My granny's 98
Wow.
and she got out. She left when she was sort of 13. My grandmother is a person who cares about everyone else but herself, and it's hard to get her story.
Mm.
And I've tried and I'm trying, but I'm also sensitive to the topics. I was thinking about
Wow.
doing one of those, the relative
Where
thingy-majiggy,
they trace your,
BG3.
yeah,
Yeah.
you should.
Yeah, it'd be fun, but I also kind of want her to tell me the story.
And she's alive in 98.
Yeah.
Wow. Well, hats off to her and
She's
hats off to
amazing.
you. House
Thank
of
you.
Dynamite is fantastic, and it's lovely to meet you and continued success.
And I'll come visit in Ireland.
We look forward to it. Welcome anytime.
Thank you.